The second and related is around scaling up. And if I look at what has really been the difficulty in scaling up and what have been the challenges, I think the piece in some sense which was the most difficult was actually giving up. Because the core team which started off actually was used to deciding everything themselves. So it was a group of 1, 2, 3 people who would decide and move on. When you're in a large group, how do you give up? And I'm sure all of you will feel that much more in some sense. Your companies are your babies. You know more about that company than anyone else. How do you actually give up? And typically, and this is when let me don my consultant hat, what I find when I work with organizations is everybody talks about the fact that there is greater complexity which is happening in the world. Greater complexity driven by market changes, regulatory, whatever, etc. And the typical answer is to have a functional view, is to have some forum which gets created, you create a structure, you create something. And what you end up doing, as one of my colleagues put it, is you substitute complexity with complicatedness. So you have organizations which have functions, silos, matrix, reporting line structures, etc., etc. And what ends up happening is many people have a right to say no. Very few people have a right to say yes. And if I look at companies which have done a great job in scaling up, I think they have been able to find a very good balance of this saying no and saying yes. It's easier when you are a cohesive team because then there is a trust which is there, and trust is based on your history with the set of individuals. Trust is based on chemistry that you have with the set of individuals. The challenge, I think, which ends up happening is what do you do when you don't have history? And there were some questions in terms of hiring people from outside. What do you do in terms of doing that, building that trust and giving up? I think is important.